multiples. When you multiply two numbers, the product is what we are calling multiple. When you multiply two numbers, you get what we call multiple. We have said when you multiply 2 by 1, you get the multiple 2. Now these two numbers is what is referred to as factor, and this one is factor. So the factors of 2 are 2 and 1. So we can say 2 and 1 are factors of 2. These factors can also be known as divisors. 2 and 1 are divisors of 2. We can come here and take another example. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. Now this 8 we have seen is a multiple. Okay, it's called multiple, but this 2 here is a factor. So 2 and 4 are factors of 8. 2 and 4 are factors or divisors of 8. We can also write, say, 3 times 5 being equal to 15. So 15 is a multiple, okay, is a multiple of 3 and 5, and 3 and 5, these are factors, factor 3 and factor 5. These two are factors of 15. 3 and 5 are factors of number 15. 3 and 5 are factors of number 15. Here we have seen 2 and 1 are factors of number 2. 2 and 4, in this case, these two are the factors or divisors of number 8. So this 2 is a multiple of 2 and 1. This 2 is a multiple of 2 and 1. 8 is a multiple of 4 and 2, and so on.